Bitcoin is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Bitcoin, currently we are still testing around that 16.7 level, which I mentioned in yesterday's video is going to be an extremely crucial level. You can see that right now we did see a beautiful pullback opportunity. We actually rejected on this formation on the 4-hour and then saw the breakout. And then once we dropped below that support level, we saw the same sort of support being held, and then that continuation. As of right now, it does look like we did break that formation, but like yesterday's video, we did have a beautiful fake out. So this is why I keep mentioning the fact that we have to wait for the 4-hour candlestick to close. Once we get that close below the break of that formation, then we can be looking for a possible shorting opportunity to continue around that 15.5. But we have to obviously be careful because of the fact that it is a weekend. We tend to see more fake outs. Ideally, every time you see a red candlestick, that does not mean that the breakout is here. We have to be very, very careful. And ideally, I don't think we will see the move until tomorrow night, possibly or tonight early in the morning, but we just have to be very, very careful and make sure we don't get caught out in terms of the wicks. Ideally, if Bitcoin can't break above these exponential moving averages like we tried to break above here, the 9 and the 20, these act as a very strong resistance point as of right now. So my level for next would still be around that 15.5. You guys know that 2 or 3 days ago when we had this capitulation effect, we drew this 15.5 level immediately because of the fact on the daily time frames, this was a very strong support. You can see Bitcoin did capitulate, come down to this level, then we saw that pullback opportunity, but we're still not seeing that bullish momentum that we would like to see. Ideally, we could have had a possible reversal formation right over here, but Bitcoin failed to break above those exponential moving averages on the 4-hour, and we are currently still consolidating at crucial levels. Looking at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame, you can see we are still testing that crucial support level, but we have to keep in mind of something. Right now, you can see that we did have a lot more bearish engulfing candlesticks forming over here, and we're just not seeing that same sort of formation as of right now. The range is obviously getting a lot tighter. You can see that the exponential moving averages are also pushing lower, and this indicates that we could possibly be looking for a move to the downside. Ideally, what we don't want happening is Bitcoin breaking below these lows here around the 16.5, because if we get that confirmation of that break, we can be looking for the lower time frame at 16.5 overall. But I want to go ahead and point something on Bitcoin. If you guys look, you can see right now in the hourly time frame, we had this huge bearish engulfing candle that pretty much broke straight towards the downside. What we have to keep in mind is if we do on the hourly see a inverse and a bullish candlestick, we can definitely be looking for that inverse bar formation, possibly hitting to around that 17.6 or even the highs of 17.9. If we go over on the 4-hour time frames, you can kind of see what I'm saying, that we did have a nice bearish engulfing candlestick, and this will still act as a consolidation range, right? This doesn't give us enough volume for us to say that yes, we are in continuation in a bear market, of course, overall, but we have to keep in mind that right now we do have this medium-term support. I've mentioned this medium-term support, and it's definitely something to look at mostly on the 4 hours. When you tend to test a support level multiple times and it actually holds up, you do have one last leg up and then that continuation down. And usually on weekends, we tend to see this happen a lot more because of the fact that Bitcoin doesn't have that liquidity like it does Monday to Friday. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.